Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine at your home and doing regular practice and studies also. And now today we are going to continue with exercise 5.2 and question 4. But before that, I just want to recall few point which we learned in last video, right? So we have learned about the nth term, how to get the nth term. So what is the main formula to find out n term? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. And we have already learned that if any term is asked to you, how to get the easy formula to get the answer. For example, a15. So a15 का क्या होगा? A15 is equal to a plus 14d. If they ask to find out a21, what is the easiest formula to find out? A plus 20d, like that. Okay. So I hope you got all these things and we will continue with the question 4. Here in question number 4, the question is which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, so on is 78. So first of all, you have to understand the question properly. Which term? It means we have to find out here small n. Which term? Okay. And AP is given is 78. It means we took as 78 as a last term, or we can say an. Okay. So therefore we can say that here a is 3. What is the common difference? Can you tell me? 8 minus 3 is 5. 13 minus 8 again 5. 18 minus 13 again 5. So in short we can say that common difference is 5. And here an is equal to 78. Again we use formula an plus a plus n minus 1 into d. Out of this 1, 2, 3 and 4 term, we have the value of 1, 2 and 3. So we can easily get the value n. I hope you get it. Okay, once again I explain you which term. It means n. AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 like this, and which term is 78. It means 78 is the value of that term. And number of term, which term they are asking. So therefore here we put an is equal to 78 is equal to 3 plus n we want to find out, and here it is 5. So 78, if that 3 we take to the other hand, it is minus 3, 5 and minus 5. So 78 minus 3 is 75 is equal to 5 and minus 5. Again this minus 5, if we take to the other side, then it is 75 plus 5. So it is 80 is equal to 5n, and therefore 5n is equal to 80, and therefore n is equal to 60. So what we have to write down at the last? 60th term of an AP is 78. So 60th term of given AP is 78. Question number 5 is similar to the question 4, so you can easily do it. Now let's continue with the question number 6. Check whether minus 150. Check whether minus 150 is a term of an AP 11, 8, 5, 2 onwards. So हमको चेक करने के लिए बोला है कि minus 180 term हो सकती है कि नहीं. Okay, so for that we have to again use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So minus 180 term है, it means it is an. A is equal to 11, and the common difference 8 minus 11 minus 3, 5 minus 8 minus 3, 2 minus 5 again minus 3. So d is equal to minus 3. So after the substituting all the values, here an is equal to minus 150, a is equal to 11, and we have to find out n minus 3. Okay. So why we put here n as it is? Because they ask check whether this is a term. It means n अगर हमको अगर integer मिलता है then only we can say that yes, that minus 150 is a term. Okay, अगर n कोई fraction में मिलता है then we can say that minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. So let's see. Now after the calculation, take this minus 11 to the other hand, so it is minus, this is minus 3n minus minus plus 3. So this 2 addition is minus 161 and this plus 3 goes to other hand, so again it is minus 161. So it is 164 and both minus cancel out from the side, LHS and RHS. So we get 3n is equal to 164. So n is equal to 164 by 3. So 54 into 2 by 3. It means it is not a integer. It is, we must got an integer, then only we can say that this is a term. But here n is equal to 54, 2 by 3. But n should be a positive integer. This is positive, but it is not a integer. It is in a fraction. Okay. And therefore, hence, minus 150 is not a term of a given AP. Okay. Like this you can solve it. This type of question usually asked in 2 marks question. Continue with the 7th question. In 7th question, it is asked that find out the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So here we have to find out A31. A11 and A16 are given. By using these two terms, we have to find out A31. What is A31? Again, A plus 30D. It means once we get value A and D, we can easily get the value A31. So again, as usual, elimination method, and I get the value D is equal to 7. You can see the steps. A11 means A plus 10D is equal to 38. A16 is A plus 15D is equal to 73. After subtraction, I got D is equal to 7, and that D I put in one of the equation and I got the value A is equal to minus 32. By using this two value in A31 formula, A31 is A plus 30D. I got A31 is equal to 178. You can do the 8th question same like this. Like 7. In 8th it is given that 50 terms are there in AP and third term is 12. It means A3 is equal to 12. And the last term, total 50 term are there. It means A50 is equal to 106. So by using A3 and A50 term, you can find out the A29 term. This is the same example just like question number 7. We will continue with the 9th question. Next question, question number 9. If the third and the 9th term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively. When it is written respectively, it means first it is a third term, it means its value is 4, and then it is a 9th term, therefore its value is minus 8. A3 is equal to 4 and A9 is equal to minus 8. And they are asking that which term of this AP is 0. Okay, so in such type of question, we have to suppose that let nth term is a 0. Okay, and then first we have to find out value A, first term and common difference, and then we can show that or suppose that let nth term is 0, and rest of the procedure I am explaining you. Here A3 is equal to 4 given, A9 is equal to minus 8 given, and they are asking that which term is 0. So first, as usual, what we are doing, we are getting value D and A. By doing elimination, we get D. By substitution, we get value A. This both value we are using now here. This is quite new for us. This we are doing first time, that which term is 0. So again I here do supposition that let nth term of AP is 0, and I am writing here the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. As we suppose that nth term is 0, it means in place of an I have to substitute 0. A we already got here, it is 8. Then n minus 1, that term we want to find out which term is 0, and d is minus 2. So after this simplification or calculation, we got that n is equal to 5. It means fifth term of given AP is 0. Next one, question number 10. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Okay, exceeds means ज़्यादा है. 17th term है वो 10th term से 7 ज़्यादा है. It means A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. I repeat again, A17 terms of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. 17th term 10th term से 7 ज़्यादा है, then find out the common difference. So this is the easy fourth step. So here A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. Now I take A10 to the other hand. Now this is the final A17 minus A10 is equal to 7. Now instead of A17, I have written here A plus 16D, and instead of A10, A plus 9D, and then again a subtraction between A17 and A10. So finally plus A minus A cancel out, and 16D minus 9D 7D is equal to 7, and D is equal to 1. Now question number 11. Question number 11, it is given that the AP is 3, 15, 27, 39, and which term of this AP is 132 more than the 54th term. ऐसा कौन सा टर्म है ये AP में जो 132 ज़्यादा है 54th टर्म से. So first of all we have to find out 54th term. 54th टर्म जो मिलेगा उसमें हम क्या ऐड करेंगे 132, और जो नंबर आएगा that we do suppose that let nth term is that term, right? I am showing you the procedure. Let here first we have to find out A54. So A54 is A plus 53D, right? Now if you see the AP, here A is equal to 3, A is equal to 3. And what is the common difference? 15 minus 3, 12. 27 minus 15, 12. So D is equal to 12. So we put value here 3 plus 53 into 12. So what is the value of this? It is 3 plus 636 is equal to 639. So this is the value of A54, and let AN be 132 more than A54. Therefore, AN is equal to 132 more means plus than A54. What is A54 we got? It is 639, and it is equal to 771. Therefore, AN is equal to 771, and we have to find out the term. That term means it is small n. Okay. Now, what we are doing? We will do again. We use the same formula. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now, AN is 771 is equal to A is 3 plus n minus 1 into D is 12. So, here it is 771 minus 3. Like that you can do. 771 minus 3 is equal to 12n minus 12. So how much it is left? 768 is equal to 12n minus 12. Now this 12 we can take to the other hand. So it is equal to 780 is equal to 12n, and therefore n is equal to 65. So we can say that 65th term is the term which is 132 more than 54.